National Mathematics Day Gamari Lenana recent trends in mathematics Sai Hiramda Nominini Chumna Satakadaba National Conference Ama Ngasi Manipur University ge VC Court Hall da houdokkhre. The man who knew infinity haina sakang nakraba Srinivasa Ramanujan gi Samaga Kuntra Nipal Suba Mapokuman Thorum Galunana University Sigi Department of Mathematics na Sinduna Delhi Bookstore Madi SBI MU branch anina sponsor tawduna pangthokpa thoramatuda Professor M Premjit Singh Registrar MU Professor Susan G. Ghosh, Director Jamia Millia Islamia, New Delhi, Professor Swarup Nandan Bora, Indian Institute of Technology, Guwahati, Professor Tarun Kumar Das, University of Delhi, Amadi, Professor K. Binod Mangang, Head Department of Mathematics, Haribamyo Singh Asina, Pampaki Lighting Singh Oina Saruyaki, Thoromaduga Marilena, Professor Susan G. Ghosh, Nahakibata, Einstein equation Singi Marakta Yamna Complex, Oina Lona Riba, Care Black Holes, Hariba Hiramasida, University na Honakiba, Tabak Singbu Singtaba Kaknatana Theoretical Physics Research Tobumatamda, Tengnari Bakudong Sada Bakayagi Matakta, Rotating Black Holes and Modified Theories of Gravity Haiba, Maroi Bahiram Singda Mahiro Singh Putokpa Sida Tagatva Fundoke. Masidanatana Sigum Laba Conference Asida Mahiro Singh expert Kaya Unaduna, Kangda Haitaba, Tanabagi Tanzama, Panganba Sitaso, Silibus Singbuso Tagatva Fundoke.
So, connection with Manipur. I just start with connection in Manipur before I say anything. So we have 3 PhD students from our center. One of them is professor in physics department here, Chandra Channi. Then one of the Madam Jini Rahman, she is professor in one of the college. And another is Ronit, he is famous musician. He is named one of the first 5 musicians in the Manipur, and all 3 come from our center, Center for Theoretical Physics, Jamia Millia Islamia.